Welcome back, everybody. My name is Steven. I'm here with Kava, and today we're going to teach you how to make coffee outdoors. Whether you're camping, backpacking, or just doing a little car camping, we've got the tools and the things you need.
Exactly, and I am Kava with Kava, a huge fan of a coffee. I call myself coffee addict. So that's why we decided to collaborate and show you how to make the best coffee outdoor. So let's start.
If you're not already, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and then click the notification bell so you can get informed whenever I create new videos.
Ding, 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 ding. What do we need? Your coffee is ready. So fresh outdoor air calls for a fresh coffee. That's why we highly recommend to have manual coffee grinder with you. This is amazing. It's really grind quick and delicious. A fresh, delicious coffee. So this is a really delicious coffee to have outdoor. It's a gourmet coffee, medium roasted, strong, yet has this like nice sweetness, perfect for just a black cup of coffee. Most important, guys, you need protein, right? You need some fire. Next thing you really do need to have with you camping fire. Another thing, you need a Stanley camping pot, right? Some water, so we storage water here just to have it nice and fresh. So here's the thing, you can use French press if you know it's 2 or 3 of you, but if it's a single, I really recommend this cool palm press. It's kind of like a single hand brewing, no waste, you don't need any paper, don't need to recycle, super easy. We will show you how to use it.
Okay, so we're gonna start getting the stove ready. All you do is you screw this little guy on right here like this. Boom, and then you open this guy up kind of like so, and then you set your pot on top of here. So I really like this Stanley pot because you can use it for a lot of things, not just cooking your coffee or boiling water. It also comes with 2 cups, and it's really small and compact, so you can save a lot of space. So you set the cup right on top of here. So we're gonna use about 20 ounces of water for this. Right here, you simply turn that, hit the little red button, and you have fire. We'll let that go until it boils, or 200 degrees is what you want.
So we are going to grind some nice whole beans. Yes, you want to fill it up so we have enough beans for 2 cups of coffee. That's it. So the grinded beans will come out here. And what's so amazing, you can actually adjust from finest to medium, whatever you would like. Just press it on top here, handle, and keep grinding, keep grinding. Can you smell it? It's like so tasty.
I can definitely smell it.
Voila! We're finishing grinding our fresh beans. So you can just take it off, and I'll show you this beautiful.
I'm ready for coffee.
Yes, me too. Let's do it.
All right. So this thing is boiling, so you're just gonna turn it down. Woo!
I'm going to use a palm press, which is, I think, amazing way to brew your coffee. It takes little space in your bag and it's light. So first thing, you have to take this off. Add just enough grinded beans for 1 cup of coffee. So I would say a little bit more. It's perfect for an individual cup, but sure thing you can make 2. Hot water, just be careful when you pour, you don't want to burn yourself, and just keep your hands on top. Now we can close. I would recommend to wait at least 3-4 minutes for coffee to brew. So after 4 minutes, your coffee is ready, and all you have to do is just flip it and the coffee will start coming out. Towards the end, just flip it your palm press and slowly, without any extra pressure, just press to force all the rest of the coffee. Your coffee is ready.
All right, so this is actually the method that I use at home, is a French press. These are really good if you're car camping or if you want to make a cup of pot for more than 2 people, you want to go to a French press. So first things first, you're going to take your coffee, boom. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your water and you're going to put just enough to soak the beans. Yeah, like that. Then from here, what you want to do is you want to stir it up. So since I don't have anything to stir it up with, I'm just going to give it a little shake here. Okay, so it's been 30 seconds. So now we're going to add in the rest of our water. Take the lid and you're going to place it in like so. And that's going to trap the heat inside, and then we're going to wait 4 minutes for this to brew, and then once we're done brewing, we'll press the plunger down, and then we're going to have some fresh, delicious coffee. So now that we've got that, we'll take the coffee, we're going to pour it in. Look at that. Oh yeah. I love coffee, you guys. Salud.
Cheers, будьмо.
Good stuff, you guys.
Wow, that's amazing. Nothing is better than coffee and nature.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for checking out today's video. Down in the description below, I'm gonna leave a link to all the tools that we used, and these are Amazon affiliate links, so I'll get a small percentage of the sale, and it doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps me with this channel. All right, everyone, thank you so much for checking out today's video.
Please check out my page if you would love to learn more about coffee and the world of coffee. Kava with Kava.
Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Take care.
Thank you, guys.
Ciao.
Bye bye.